everyone, my name is Caroline Sinaga. I'm from Class 2B Publishing. Here I will explain the identification problems.
The quality input of accepted student. If admitted student do not make a quality contribution, it can be a barrier to achieving learning objective, a challenge to achieving learning objective, and a deep understanding of the English language. A limited time allocated from teaching English. The statement limited time allocated from teaching English mean there is limited time given or allocated from teaching English. This can be a problem in English language learning as the limited time will not be sufficient to cover all the materials that need to be learned or to give students adequate opportunities to practice and understand the material well. Students do not have enough time to actually learn to speak English in the class because the lecture is more corrected to aid grammar and syntax. As a result, students may have a difficulty in developing fluent and confident English speaking. The absence of good and authentic learning material. The lack of authentic learning materials can hinder students' ability to develop a deep understanding of English and their ability to adapt to language use in real-life situations. The absence of the social use of English outside the classroom. This means that the environment around students may not support the practice of English in the daily life. The absence of national occupational competence in Indonesian publishing industry. Within the publishing industry, there might be a need for individuals with strong English language skills to fulfill certain job requirements, such as translation, writing content in English, or communication with international partners. The lack of English language competency among the local workforce may hinder the Indonesian publishing industry progress on a global scale or in meeting the necessary international standard. No student and industrial need assessment. The study indicated that in the context of English language learning, there is not evaluation or assessment condition to assess student needs as well as industry needs. This could mean the lack of understanding of how to integrate student needs and industry demands into the existing English curriculum or teaching method. In other words, there is a gap between what is taught in English language learning and what students need in the real world, particularly in the professional or industrial content in which they will work in the future. Learning targets: skillful in editing and writing manuscript, skillful in planning and managing publishing business, skillful in editing and writing manuscript. The purpose of creating learning target is so that students can develop their ability to edit and write a good script. This includes text forwarding and editing skill, as well as the ability to write correctly in English. This object reflects the importance of good writing communication in the development of student English language skill. Skillful in planning and managing publishing business. In English language learning, there is a focus on developing student skill in planning and making a publishing business. This includes the ability to organize strategy, manage research, and understand the business aspect associated with the publishing industry. The aim is to provide students with a comprehensive understanding of the business aspect of the publishing industry, as well as prepare them to effectively manage or engage in the publishing business in the future. Okay, that's all from my presentation. Thank you and see ya. Bye-bye.